Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Edge Wallet in 2025. For that, you need to simply launch your Edge Wallet first, and here on the home page, you need to tap on this middle section where you will see the buy option. So you need to tap on buy, and then you need to first select your region. Now most of the time it will by default select your region, but if it doesn't, you will have to simply tap over here and you need to simply search for your region and you need to select it. Afterwards, based on your region or your country, it will show you the potential payment methods that you can use, and it will also show you the fees that you need to pay after selecting that option. So you just have to select any of the payment methods according to your own convenience, and then wait for some time until it fetch the assets for you. Now it will show you the BTC in this list. So since you want to buy BTC, you need to tap on it. Then it will redirect you on this page where you need to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. Now if I cross it for you, you can see that the minimum amount of purchase should be $5. So here you need to tap on the next option in the bottom, and it will ask you to take the pictures or record the screen. So you just have to simply tap on the allow option and then wait for some time until it shows you the other option. On the next page, you just have to simply select your payment method and conclude your payment. Now once your payment is completed, you just have to simply wait and you will see your Bitcoin in your Edge wallet in no time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.